Hey everyone! So if you saw in the last video, Alan played with his little gadget and I decided I was going to give it a try. So I am going to put a little more white here though to get that paint to run off. I just have to remember what order. I believe it was this way. So he started with Coat Art Teal Topaz. Soho Magenta. Coat Art Rose Gold. Artist Loft Light Blue. Lucas Mauve. Lucas and Soho are from Jerry's Artorama. And Folk Art Solid Bronze. I'm going to give that another shot of white. Oops, maybe the no silicone one. Starting to move out. Okay, and I'm going to get that just a hit of white. We're going to do it again. Teal. Whoops. That was a glopper. Magenta. Rose gold. Light blue. Mauve. Solid bronze. A dab of white. See, this bottle bottom is concave, so there's a puddle in the middle. So we have to be careful as we're pouring the paint so we don't just get gobs running over. Okay, then we start again with teal. Magenta. Rose gold, which is being very prominent in this painting. I'm surprised. Light blue. Mauve. And solid bronze. And I'll end with a little bit of white. Now I already know I don't have enough paint to go corner to corner, so I have to add more. And I'm going to bring that right out to the corner so that it has something to glide on. I think we're good. Alright, the trick is getting this thing off because it's flat to the canvas. It's a little suctioned. So I'm going to take my skewer and hold it on this side. What a pain in the butt. Okay. I got it. Alright, so I'm going to pull some of this in. There's a lot of white in the middle. That's that nice tight drum sound you want to hear on your canvas. Okay. I'm just going to stretch back and forth a little bit to get the white connected. You got to remember when you're using metallics, they tend to be on the watery side compared to your paint colors. So as you can see, some of my paint is running faster than the others, which will tear your design apart. But like I said to him, it's not supposed to be perfect. It's abstract art. If you want something that's perfect, don't pour paint. So I still have a lot of paint on this canvas, so I do want to stretch more. But as long as you're bringing all that paint to the middle before you go to a corner, you should be able to keep away from major zigzagging. I'm just rocking to get over that edge there. That is a tough bottle bottom to keep patterned on your artwork, because there's, I think, 8 petals. Yeah. So I'm just taking a little more white off here, and then I think I'm going to leave it when I bring it back. So yeah, this was a tough challenge. He's pretty good at picking those challenges out for me, isn't he? So there's mine. Let me wipe my hands and torch it. I like the way that the teal is bleeding into the white. And we'll see if we get any cells when I torch it. But most of them should be up already. pop some air bubbles. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload our next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. I did get Christmas beads listed in the Etsy shop this week. So if you want to get some hand painted beads to make earrings or bracelets, they're there. You can get our prints on Redbubble and order cell phone cases and pillows and all kinds of nice stuff. And it's very affordable. Silicone Art Coat Resin. The code is CWAL in caps for $30 off an $80 order. That link is below as well. Our post office box is P.O. Box 863, Youngsville, North Carolina. If you want to send us a gadget to play with. Ellen loves the gadgets. Or you can just send us a card or letter to let us know you're watching. Maybe we'll give you a shout out on the channel. So there you have it. This is my challenge piece. I challenged it. Ellen challenged me. So this is our Saturday challenge. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.